What's up everybody, it's me Sergio. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you what I hate and what I love about the Jazzy Carbon HD, which was just released by Pride Mobility in 2026. The only folding power wheelchair that can support up to 400 pounds, all while weighing 33 pounds without the battery. It's pretty impressive. Now keep in mind, this was released alongside the Jazzy 27 and the 27X. We have in-depth review videos for each one and a comparison video that tells you what makes each model special. Make sure you check that one out. I'll put the links in the description below. Now the Jazzy Carbon HD is known for being the most heavy-duty option on the market, made by a very reputable manufacturer. If you don't know about Pride Mobility, they're the leader in power wheelchair manufacturing. They've been the leader for over 50 years. They created the original Jazzy over 50 years ago, and since then, they've been growing, they've been innovating, they haven't stopped. They're so confident in their products that they include a 1-year in-home service plan for free. The warranty support is exceptional, and again, you don't have to leave your home if a warranty claim is approved within the first year. A technician comes to your home. They're very serviceable. This is made with an aircraft-grade carbon fiber, which is why it's so strong. It's very comfortable. It has a 20 by 20 inch wide seat, removable seat cushion. The cushion it comes with is very high quality, very comfortable, but you can put your own cushion if you have one that you're just really used to. The armrests flip up and out of the way. I will say one of the cons is going to be that it does not have armrest pads. You can purchase armrest pads separately, but I don't like how flat it is here without the pads, because if you're like me and you sweat a little bit when it's humid and hot out, you tend to stick to it a little bit. I just don't like that feeling. Not a big deal, but I thought I'd mention it as a con because we do give unbiased reviews. Now, by the way, if you want to learn more about all of our products, not just this one, claim a copy of our free product catalog. It has exclusive discount codes in it, tons of information about our latest products. To get a copy, just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green link at the top of every page that says free catalog, or click right there, the top right-hand corner. It's gonna take you to a form, fill it out. You'll get that catalog in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. And if you have any questions about it, leave them in the comments section. We'll reply within a day, or call the number below, speak with a non-commissioned sales expert. They'll answer any questions you may have. They're not pushy, they just wanna help you find the right product. Now I'm gonna demonstrate how it folds, because that is the primary reason why most people buy these power wheelchairs that fold. To travel with them, they wanna know that they're lightweight, and in some cases powerful enough to hold up to 400 pounds. Now, by the way, folks, towards the end of the video, I am gonna put a printer-friendly spec sheet and sales brochure, so stay tuned to the end. Also, somewhere towards the end of the video, I am gonna put a hidden message on the screen, and the first 20 people to spot it are gonna gain access to a secret discount code, so pay attention if you wanna save big on your next purchase at Mobility Direct. So there is a little latch on the back. All you gotta do is lift that up, and it kind of collapses on itself. It does lock into position, which is nice, so it's not gonna unfold when you go to pick it up, and it does have feet, AKA a kickstand, if you will, or kickstands, so it can stand up like this on its own. The battery pack's easily removable, and that's how you get down to about 33 pounds all up weight without the battery. Very impressive, close to 40 pounds with the battery installed. Speaking of battery, it is a lithium battery. It's not airline approved. The standard battery, I'm gonna repeat, is not airline approved, but you can purchase a TSA friendly battery. The standard battery is gonna give you about 12 miles of range. However, the airline friendly battery is much smaller, less capacity, means less range. So you might get around 6 to 8 miles on that TSA approved battery, which is an accessory, an add-on. You cannot buy it out of the box with the TSA approved battery. So you are gonna spend $400 to $500, depending on where you buy it, for that extra TSA battery. Some may call it a con. Some are already spending several $1,000s on a top of the line wheelchair, so they're not gonna care. Really, it's circumstantial, but I do wanna point that out as a con. Now, to unfold it, there's a latch underneath the battery pack. You just hold that out just a little bit until it's unlocked, and literally with one hand, it's very rugged. I know what you're thinking. Hey, why are you so rough on your products? It's made out of an aircraft-grade carbon fiber. Like I said, folks, this thing can take it. It's built to last. Very, very high-tech electronics package. Let's check out this joystick here. It's very responsive too, by the way. I've tested this thing out a lot. It's dirty. Look, the tires, the seats, it's by no means clean, and we wanted to keep it that way to let you know that this is an authentic, unbiased review. I'm gonna show you how the joystick works and talk about how it's been performing for me. It's very easy to work with, just like most folding power wheelchairs. Always want to have the joystick off when you're getting in and out of the chair for safety. By the way, we do have all sorts of educational resources on our YouTube channel and website for you to learn about the safety and what to consider before buying a power wheelchair. Especially if you've never bought one before, I highly recommend watching our first time buyer's guide so you can learn all about the considerations, the applications, the use cases, and what to do to avoid a costly return. If you buy a power wheelchair online from a reputable dealer, sure, you can return it and it's probably going to be as hassle-free as possible. But there are some other dealers out there. If you buy one from a non-reputable dealer, the last thing you want to do is go through a painstaking return process. So I highly recommend that first time buyer's guide video. I'll put the link in the description and in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Now, like I said, this chair is extremely responsive. It's got a lot of torque to it, and it has very high-powered 250-watt motors, 2 of them, that you can see on the back there. Now, I will say that for a lot of people, they like to buy a heavy-duty product, even though they don't need it for the weight capacity. Like me, I weigh 215 pounds. I don't need a 400-pound weight capacity chair. But you may think that you want a heavy-duty chair that can hold that much weight because it's going to have more powerful motors and be able to perform better on hills and aggressive off-road terrain, right? Wrong. I tested this thing out. I tortured it. Went on gravel, I went on inclines, I went on dirt, sand, cobblestones, and even just going into the garage where there's a little 1-inch lip to get in, it struggles a lot. Unless you're on hard, flat surfaces or on like a golf course that's got really maintained grass that's super flat, it doesn't really perform that well off-road. With that being said, guys, you need to have realistic expectations. This is a super lightweight, travel-friendly chair. It's not designed to be put through its paces off-road. If you want something that's really rugged and off-road capable, number one, you're gonna need wide inflatable tires. Now this has tires that are just shy of 11 inches on the rear, but the front tires, the casters, are super small. They're really not gonna give you the performance you would expect on any type of soft terrain. Think about that, and that's most power wheelchairs out there. If you need something that's off-road, you're just gonna need a full-size or a heavy-duty power wheelchair, not a travel-friendly power wheelchair. So reset your expectations if that's what you're looking for, because there is no travel-friendly lightweight model that's gonna take you on various terrain types at all. Trust me, we've looked, they're not out there. Now with that being said, if you are just gonna be on sidewalks and you have imperfections or cracks on the road, it does have full suspension, so it does give you a really smooth ride. Looking at the back here, I do want to point out one of its comfort adjustment features and a cargo storage pouch that's on the back there. You can easily put your charger, user manual, and a couple of your belongings, but if you pull this up, you've got tension adjustment straps here. What I like to do is have our customer sit down in the chair while it's completely loose. That way, they can get their body in there, and then you adjust it once they're sitting in there already to their body type. So it's gonna feel nice and firm or a little bit looser depending on what makes your customer the most comfortable. Then once you're done adjusting it, you go ahead and Velcro it back and you're good to go. Now the joystick controller can be mounted on the right or the left side. It's very easy to swap it out. There's just a little hand screw here that you loosen and the joystick bracket comes right out. You can rewire it to the left side. No tools are required for that. Now on the left side, you can put the mesh cup holder or just leave it empty. It's up to you. Now I am gonna run through some of the specifications here with you. It does have a 3.7 mile per hour top speed, 1-inch ground clearance. The turning radius is 36.4 inches. The overall length is about 36 inches, just shy of 37 inches. Overall width is 26.3 inches. The front tires are 6.5 inches. The rear tires are 10.6 inches. Again, you get about 12.4 miles on a full charge with the standard battery, and it weighs 32.2 pounds without the battery. Very impressive. The standard battery is a lithium battery box. It's 24 volts, 20 amp hours, and it weighs about 7.5 pounds. You get a 5-year limited warranty on the frame, 1 year on the electronics and motor. Overall, I think this is a great option if you need something that could support more than the average weight, which is 300 pounds on most folding power wheelchairs. And it's super comfortable even if you don't need that extra weight capacity and you don't mind the extra wide factor of 20 inches on the seat. It does have a super large foot plate, so if you're taller and you need more foot space, that's also going to be a benefit. By the way, folks, before we get too far into this video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching our videos and supporting the channel. We couldn't do it without you. And did you know that part of every sale at Mobility Direct goes towards funding our mission to give back? Yes, that's right. We give away mobility devices to people in need all the time. Veterans, people who are homeless, people that are just struggling to get around with a walker, a cane, a manual wheelchair. They can't afford a power wheelchair. We show up sometimes with the cameras rolling and we give one to them. If you want to see those videos, I'll put the link to the playlist in the top right-hand corner, but grab a tissue. And if you want to join the movement, all you have to do is consider shopping with us at Mobility Direct or telling someone you know who needs a wheelchair or any other mobility device about our YouTube channel. Share this video on your Facebook page. Spread the word. Together, we can make a difference. One mobility device at a time. By the way, there's no travel bag for this model yet. However, there is one coming out soon to protect it while you're traveling so that the airline handlers don't damage your power wheelchair when they're storing it in the bottom of the plane. If you've never traveled with a power wheelchair on a plane before, I highly recommend watching our documentary series where we show you exactly what it's like from check-in to arriving at your destination, gate checking, boarding an Uber, the whole thing with a power wheelchair. We keep the cameras rolling on our chest mount and we show you the whole process so that you know what to expect, what kind of declarations you need, how to check in your mobility device, and how to keep it safe. That's super important. So check that video out. I'll put it in the description below. But again, that travel bag's not available yet. This is a brand new unit. It is coming out soon. Now there are some optional accessories that are pretty neat, like the headrest and the attendant control bracket, which we saw on the Jazzy a while ago at the MedTrade trade show, and we documented all the new products coming out soon. We do that every year. This model is probably gonna have a lot of new accessories and upgrades coming out soon, and if you subscribe to the channel and enable notifications, you'll get notified when new videos come out on our channel. So make sure you do that, folks. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. I'll respond within one business day. I hope you learned something today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Have a great day, everyone.